Hello everyone, today again for my video I'm going to be using my ebook. My book, this is the book, but I have it also as an ebook. In the description I will leave a link from where you can buy it. It costs only €2 and I will send it to you via email. You can also find it on Amazon if you write the name of the book. Speaking Maltese, a guide to embrace the melodies of the island. You will find it also on Amazon. You will buy it as a book, but I can send it to you as an ebook via email. And as I told you, it costs only €2. Today, we're going to speak about adverbs. As I told you, I will be using my ebook and we will talk about adverbs. You can find it in chapter 9. Here's an overview of adverbs.